Hi there, mathematicians. Today we're going to be using the standard algorithm to multiply 63 times 54. When I'm doing the standard algorithm, I will start by putting my two numbers on top of each other, being very careful to line up my place values. For the standard algorithm, we're going to complete the multiplication in two steps. First, we're going to take our 63 and multiply it by the 4 in 54. Then we're going to take the 63 and multiply it by the 5 in the tens place, which is actually a 50. So we'll do 63 times 4, and then 63 times 50, and then we'll add the two answers together to get our final answer. So let's start by just crossing out this 5, because we don't need it right now, because we're just going to multiply by the 4. So 4 times 3 in the ones place is 12. So I put my 2 here and carry my 1. Then I'm going to do 6 times 4, which is 24, plus the 1 that I carried, which is 25. So I'll write 25, being very careful to line up my place values. I'm going to get out my eraser and erase where I wrote the 5 and crossed it out and get ready to use it. All right, now I have my 5 back. I can go ahead and cross out my 4 because I'm done with that one now. And now I'm going to multiply the 63 times the 5. But since we know that this 5 is in the tens place, we're going to use our zeros trick and put a 0 on the end here because we're multiplying by 50, not 5. Whenever we multiply by a 10 and we use our zeros trick, we add a 0 to the end. So now we can just pretend like it's a 5 since we already took care of the 10. So in the standard algorithm, I can do 5 times 3, which is 15. So I can write my 5 and carry my 1 up here. I'm ignoring my green one because that was from my first step. I'm now in my blue. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the blue one I just carried is 31. So 31, being careful to keep everything lined up. And now I need to add my two steps together. Starting in the ones place, 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10, so I can carry that 1. 2 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus nothing is 3. Add my comma. 63 times 54 using the standard algorithm is 3,402. I hope that was helpful.